Hi, welcome to Carter and Haynes. This is our 2017 Range Rover Sport HSE. Finished in the desirable Carpathian grey with 20-inch alloys, panoramic sunroof, rear privacy glass, and some other bits, parking sensors, sat nav, all the usual bits you get on these. This is a really nice example for the age and miles and what value these cars are nowadays. Incredible value. This car actually does come with a Ghost Immobiliser already fitted, so it brings your insurance down quite considerably on these cars. As you can see, the paintwork is all straight. Cars come in from an underwrite Part X. There we go. We have 2 keys with the car. Just open the boot. Obviously has the remote boot. The car boasts full Land Rover service history and independent service history, all on the Land Rover system. Car has rear heated seats, panoramic sunroof as mentioned. We have a heated steering wheel on this car, 72,176 miles circa. Obviously the car has done the mileage it's done, and it is at the age that it is, so there are some small blemishes on the car. Nothing that would really worry you that much. The price range of this car, I think, put a private plate on her and away you go. We do take part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.